Batanggadis Tropical Rainforest or Angkola Wilderness is a region south of Batang Toru. It covers mountain in the east, peat swamps, and alluvial forest area in its center, and lower hills in the west. You can see lakes and rivers, many sceneries, traditional villagers, and wildlife. Sipirok lies along the alternative and beautiful route between Tarutung and Padang Sidempuan. This small town has a cool climate and is surrounded by green hills and mountains and rice paddies. There are plenty of nice views. There are many hot or warm springs near Sipirok in the direction of Padang Sidempuan. Most of the hot springs are very simple and only used by the villagers. The most well-known temple is near to the village of Bahal. It is called Portibi Temple. The Bahal is the most interesting site as it is richly ornamented by Hindu motifs. The biggest city in the west coast are Sibolga. Sibolga is the transit town for travels to Nias and other islands along the coast and the western gate to North Sumatra. The people in Sibolga are very friendly and social. The town has indeed a special atmosphere, being squeezed in by mountains behind it and picturesque bay dotted with islands in front of it. The mix of many ethnic groups and the crews from huge fishing fleets give the town a special flavor. There is a place of interest in Sibolga. Pandan has a beautiful beach which is popular amongst locals. A beautiful, clean and long beach on the Indian Ocean between Tapanuli Bay and Sorkam. Ponchan Gadang Island is a beautiful island near Sibolga with a nice star-rated hotel. The hotel offers many water sports activities, including diving trips and relaxing atmosphere, with a nice view towards the Sibolga waterfront. Brastagi is more known among foreigners as the place where they can find fruit markets, which are very colorful and offer all kinds of fruits. There are also many handicraft stalls along its fringes. It is touristy, but nevertheless a must on your visit to Brastagi. The Karo people embrace several religions and they live peacefully together. Many of the Karo villages have traditional houses that are still in use. Beside houses for living, there are also other kinds of houses. You can find so many places of interest in Karo Regency, such as Sembahe. The rivers nearby have several bathing sites, popular amongst locals and visitors from Medan. The nature surrounding the site is very pleasant. Sibolangit is a nice area not too far from Brastagi. Its nature is still very natural with forests and small clear rivers. Gundaling. It is a nice stop but not very demanding walk. The area is pretty with some grandiose villas and great views over Brastagi. To walk up Sibayak Mountain are one of the musts in Brastagi. There are pitcher plants, orchids and other interesting things to see along the track. The Lau, the Buk hot spring, is one of the most attractions of Brastagi. Lau is Karonese for water. The Buk is the bubbling sound of water coming up from the ground. Lau Kawar is a small lake in a beautiful spot at the foot of the volcano Sinabung mountain. The area is very quiet and ideal for hiding from the world. The lake is a popular fishing spot for its goldfish. Enjoy your travel in Karo Regency and spending your time in several places of interest in this land. The people living in this area is a complete mix of Batak Toba, Karo, and Pakpak. The local language uses words from all three ethnic backgrounds. The village is pretty and has a nice setting on the lake shore with the hills behind it. There are still traditional houses in Dairi. Some of the women in Dairi wave ulas, the traditional Batak cloth. Some years ago, around 50% of the women used the wave. Today, only 10 to 15% of the women wave in traditional way. The local style is a mix of several ethnic backgrounds. Many are women in styles preferred by Karonese. Nias is one of the major tourist destinations in North Sumatra, especially famous for its servings and unique culture. Nias is famous for its war culture and stone jumping. Stone jumping is still performed at special ceremonies. All this culture and heritage is made more complete by the presence of magnificent traditional houses made of wood. These traditional indigenous Nias houses have very unique and specific architecture. The greatest achievement in the Nias culture. They not only symbolize grandeur and magnificency, but also present the cosmology of the Nias ethnic group as a whole. Nias has been especially well endowed with good serving. A deep trench in the ocean along the coast of Sumatra, Java, Bali, and onwards is the secret behind all the excellent serving locations in Indonesia. Many of those waves are now famous, especially the one in Laguna. Spend your precious moment in this unforgettable tropical island. Feel the uniqueness of the multicultural heritage and tropical adventure in North Sumatra, as well as the beautiful scenery and grand nature. And enjoy the precious moment in your life by visiting North Sumatra.
It's